everyone. Welcome to LexTalk World Talk Show presented by Clickaway Creators. Today we have Mr. Jaydeepsinh Zala with us, who is a legal professional with more than 15 years of experience in the areas of real estate and corporate laws. He has been associated with Kamendu Joshi and Associates as a senior associate partner for over 8 years, and he's currently based out of Ahmedabad. Mr. Zala is driven by the philosophy that the growth of his clients is a fundamental for his firm's growth. Presently, Mr. Zala is catering through Kamendu Joshi and Associates. He advises his clients across the whole amount of transactions essential for functioning of any organizations in the economic legal environment. He has successfully advised organizations regarding standardizations and negotiations of documents, land due diligence and acquisitions, industrial license, corporate industries, and many more. So without any ado, let me quickly introduce the man himself. Hello, Mr. Zala. Welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you. Thank you so much. I am very fine. How are you?
I am doing really good. So thank you so much. Mr. Zala, it's a great pleasure for me to take this interview for you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. My pleasure.
Pleasure is all ours, sir. So, Mr. Zala, let me start this interview by asking you about your overall experience into the legal industry.
Yes, I have experienced more than 15 years, and I am lastly 8 to 9 years I am working with Mr. Kamendu Joshi. He is our boss and my mentors, and we are very good knowledge base here from acquisition and compliance area. We have so many MNCs, and we have doing a banking and finance, employment and labor work also. And we are expertise in a legal compliance services.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Zala, for sharing your journey and your firm's journey with us. This was a great pleasure knowing about you and your firm. So, Mr. Zala, also one more thing that we would like to know about you and about your firm, which is about the core practice areas and your primary focus since the inception of the firm.
Yes, our core practice area is a most probably we are doing in a non-litigation work. We are not going to more litigation work. So our main area is property due diligence, licensing with government bodies. We are also doing a land acquisition and factory setup and compliances work.
Okay, amazing. And okay, I got it. And Mrs. Zala, also one more thing. Now, since we are living in the world where it's a saying that if any person wants to earn more, then that it is required for the person to learn more. So in this today's world, how do you plan to venture out into the practice areas beyond your specializations?
Sorry?
I'm so sorry. Let me ask the question. So, Mr. Zala, what we believe is that if any person wants to earn, the person have to learn more. So in this saying, how do you or your firm plan to venture out into the practice areas beyond your specializations?
Yes, we are currently venturing into a renewable energy related corporate and legal advisory, and also a licensing work ensuring end-to-end setup and functioning of energy sector project, including windmills and renewable energy project.
Okay, amazing. That sounds like a great promising plan, sir. Mrs. Zala, also one more thing. Now, since we know that there is a huge competition into the legal industry, into the legal fraternity.
Yeah.
So how do you distinguish your services from other law firms which are operating in the same space?
Yes, we are in the business of providing land acquisition, corporate and statutory compliance related service since the past 12 years, and have gained expertise in the areas by leveraging knowledge and experience of industry's leading professional and highly reputed senior government officials who provided highly valuable and specialized inputs and insight, which sets apart the firm's practice from its counterparts.
Amazing. That is really nice to hear about you and your firm, sir. Also, one more thing that we all wanted to know about your firm in this is that what exactly the role does your firm play in the client's overall functioning, and how does the service contributes to the success of your corporate clients?
Yes, we have made a great impact on business of our clients by providing highly specialized end-to-end services and taking care of full gamut of corporate and statutory compliance, including one-time and cyclists as well as compliance due for a renewable from time to time. Also, our service ensures the smooth functioning of our corporate clients with exceptional turnaround time.
Okay. Amazing, Mr. Zala. Thank you so much for sharing your great thoughts, your great insights with us. It was lovely knowing about you and about your firm, that what kind of activities and like you do for us. It was really nice. Thank you again so much, sir, for sharing your great insights with us.
Thank you.
We would love, or we would look forward to having a chat you again on future on some trending topics that we have in the international legal fraternity. And but as of now, for our viewers, if you like this chat, I would request you to please like and share this video, and also subscribe to our Clickaway Creators YouTube channel to appreciate what we do. And you have more coming from us and from the great industry leaders. This is Krish from Let's Talk World signing off.